This is the rest of the view here, but can you hear the train? I think I want that train with the bugs. Thanks, Richard. It doesn't stop and trap me over here. Anyway, this is the levees up there. You can walk up there. And there's more stuff, but I don't feel like carrying the guitar a half a mile in the heat uphill and then back downhill right now. I can't drive up there, so anyway. You see those bugs? They were trying to drink my sweat, I think. They're like moms. They're not trying to bite me. I think they want my stuff to spit. He's in my ear now. I would be buzzing my ear again. He keep trying to get my sweat. I think I have a little water. I can figure out how to leave you some. Put it in a hole in the rock or something. It's hot. There's a river right over there. Yeah, there is a river right over there. So I think they should have more than enough to drink. Levee's for the river.